This is AB4WS, and we're going to run a quick little video here to show you how to edit your DPhost file on a Raspberry Pi running the G4KLX software. First thing we're going to do, as you can see, is we have it running. We need to disconnect it, so we're going to kill the IRCDDB Gateway, and we're going to kill the D-star repeater. We're then going to go down to this lower left-hand corner. Click on the button here, come up to System Tools, and go to File Manager. We'll click on File Manager. File Manager just lets us navigate the files. If we look at the address line here, we can see we're currently at the home/pi. We want to go all the way up to the root. So all you see is the slash. Once we're in there, we're going to go down to the USR file. Double click on it, then come up to the local. Double click on it, and then go to the ETC and double click on it. And then sure enough, what do we find? A d+_hosts.txt. If we double click on that, that should open up into the window. Move this up just a little bit. As you can see, what this host file does is it lists all the reflectors and then either the IP address or the DNS directory, DNS address to get the Raspberry Pi to be able to find on the internet where the reflector is located. So as we see here, it starts at REF001. So if we would connect REF001, the host file tells us that where we really need to go on the internet is ref001.dstargateway.org. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of this list. And you can see I already have an entry here for a repeater, WW4KY, a couple spaces, and then the IP address of the repeater. Now, this currently is the correct IP address for the repeater. But if it was different, what you would do would be to highlight whatever is different and make those changes. The L, a space and an L, the capital L means to lock that entry in so that it is not changed by some other inadvertent software or whatever. Then we're going to go up to File, Save, and click on Save, and then exit out. So now we have saved the changes that we've made to the D+host file, and we're ready to close the File Manager window and restart the D-star repeater and the IRCDDB Gateway software. So with that, we're going to restart the D-star repeater software. And we're going to go over to the IRCDDB Gateway software and double click on it and start it back up. In a few seconds here, we should hear on our portable that it's restarted. We can see that on this particular Raspberry Pi, I'm using the GMSK modem controller thread. On the IRCDDB Gateway software, you can see it's loading in all of the reflectors at the various IP addresses as to where they're located, so that we can connect to any of those reflectors very easily. We're now registered. We're connected, and if you heard that, it said not linked. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get our CDB remote software out and make sure that we're on the correct correct IP address and the correct device, and we're going to link up.
Link to WW4KY Charlie.
There you have it. Simple as all that. Well, that's all we have this time. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I can be contacted at ab4ws@arrl.net. For now, 73s, have a great day. This is AB4WS. Goodbye.